dyan. Hey guys, today I'm playing Roblox. But it hacks by the way guys. Si Shatsi may tumatawa na naman. Tawa ng tawa. Ano? Ikaw naman, natuwa naman. Ay! Ikaw ba? Tumigil ka na kasi Simi. Tumigil ka na dyan. Bro, may Wi-Fi so low. Guys, yung si Beige X. Ano Beige X? Beige X. Si Beige X guys, because it's amazing. It's getting popular because I can increase my FPS with this. It's gonna go to settings guys and see max FPS. Changes to whatever I want, like 1000. Click that, press press GitHub, and also type fly guys. I'm only gonna type fly, I'm not gonna fling everyone. Kasi fling everyone, I'm gonna be actually banned. Why though? But you know, bad people is already bad, so don't even think about it. I can execute the right script. You know, the script now is executed. If you are by me, also waiting. Let us subscribe to them. So that was close. Almost died. I noticed it. That's kind of good. Yo, what the hell? There's so many emo people in this server. So many slenders guys. I don't know why. Kind of laggy. Put my FPS changer on. But where is his leg? His leg's gone. There's smoke. There's smoke, but there's smoke. Not even enough. He doesn't have feet anymore. It's only a body in the arms and the head. Still alive. It's kind of good because you're not dead. You're only a part of your body, but you know everything's okay until you not die. Someone has brain rot in the chat. Bruh. No. Die up here. And she's going. I'm gonna end this video when it's 4 seconds. 41, 42. Ipang naging 3 minutes na. Time ko na to. Yung recording nga, hindi yung hack. Beef, what the hell? Nah! Oh, yo! Oh, bro. I can kill me faster than a horse. Oh, wait.